first step is to get your phone. Step 2 is to play a YouTube video, and then step 3 is to get paid real money into your account. It's that simple. In today's video, I want you to put down whatever you're doing and check over all of these payments again. These people are now making hundreds of dollars by simply watching YouTube videos like this one. How awesome is that? This is very simple and easy for newbies who have never made any money online before. This is also completely free. You don't need to spend any money to do so, and it is available in any country on the planet. This will be a simple way to earn money online in 2022. I'll show you how to make money rapidly by leveraging the greatest and most effective platforms. If you're interested, stay tuned and watch the video till the end. Before we get into this brand new content, keep in mind that we release new ways to make money online every day, so make sure you complete watching the video and stay tuned anytime we release a new method so you can be the first to test it out. Like and post in the comments section below to help us with the YouTube algorithm and achieve a larger audience. Please support my channel by giving this video a thumbs up below, and if you want to be notified whenever I publish a new video, click on that red subscribe button and turn on notifications, and you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. So, without further ado, let's get started with the tutorial. So first of all, I want you to come into this website, which is followfast.com. Now, basically this website offers us an opportunity to make money online by simply watching videos. Take a look at all these recent withdrawal history, and they are showing you people from all over the world that are cashing out real money every single day. Over here, you can see that this website is very transparent on how much money you're actually earning and how much you can cash out. Now, I want you to take a look at all of these people right here from different countries that are able to cash out their earnings. With that said, I want you to follow every step in this video so you can start earning as well. Once you go to the homepage of followfast.com, I want you to go and click on this join button right here, and then you're gonna land on this page where you can register for free and sign up for a free account. So first off, you're gonna put in your username right here, your email address, your password, and confirm your password again. For location, they automatically detect your location right here. Now don't worry, they accept people from all over the world. So right over here, enter the CAPTCHA. Now you just have to type in whatever numbers that you see right here, and once I fill in all my details, I'm just gonna click on this blue join button right here. Once you log into your account, you can see something like this, and don't worry, you can do this on your phone and you can do this on your computer as well. On your dashboard, I want you to go and click on this YouTube button. You can see play, like, dislike, and subs over here. Next, click on this red button right here, the play button. So as you can see when I come onto this page, when you scroll down below, this is where you can watch YouTube videos and actually make money online. Okay, the first tip I have for you is that in order to gain points, you must watch YouTube videos for at least 35 seconds. Once you've earned enough points, you can then convert them into cash. In this case, simply watching this video earns you 9 points, so all you have to do is click on this blue play button right here to be taken to the YouTube video, which you can see right here. Then, when you go back to the website, you can see here they start to count down for the 35 seconds. Now, once these go from 35 seconds to 0, you can earn points just by doing that. This means you don't actually have to watch the videos. You can just pause the video right here, and then when you go back to the website, you just have to wait for another 35 seconds, and you can earn this amount of points just by doing that. Let me show you another example. Now, when I scroll down below, these are the points. Go ahead and click on this play button right here, and again, I'll go on to these YouTube videos and I'll just pause the video since I don't actually have to watch it, and I'll just go back to the website, and as you can see here, points are automatically added to my balance. This is actually very simple and very easy, and you can watch as many YouTube videos as you want. Here's another bonus tip where you can earn double or even triple your money. So for example, if you're gonna watch this video right here and you can earn this amount of points, what you can do is that you can open up a new tab using your phone or computer, and you can watch a second video and earn more points since you can actually watch both videos at the same time. What this means is that you don't have to waste 35 seconds watching one video, and you can do it as many times as you want, including watching 5, 7, or even 10 videos at once. For example, you can open this tab and watch this video by pressing the play button right here, and then you can open another tab and watch a second video by pressing the display button once more. This is a really cool and time-saving technique to watch 5, 10, 20 videos at once. You can now make a lot of money much faster than other people by watching a lot of YouTube videos. As you can see, the stack credit point has been added to your balance, and points are automatically added to the balance when I return to this page. If you guys enjoyed this video, please like and share this video with your friends, subscribe using the red button, and leave a comment down below if you loved it. If you liked it, subscribed, turned on the notification bell, and left a comment down below, that will be awesome. If we receive 1,000 comments on this video saying I will make money in 2022, we'll release a fantastic new video next week that might be even cooler than all of this, where you can make money doing simple things like this. So, if this video receives 2,022 likes, we'll release an incredible brand new video that might be even crazier than all of this. So, with that said, it's time to go back to work and earn some cash. Here's yet another bonus tip. When you're watching the YouTube videos just like this one, when you go to the settings right here, you can actually play the videos faster by changing the playback speed from normal to double to speed up the process. Also, when you go to the quality section right here, by default you're gonna be on automatic. Now if you have a very slow internet or you're using very limited data, you want to select 144p right here so that you can watch the lowest quality, which is gonna save you a lot of time and data, so you can watch a lot of videos more efficiently. That's gonna result in much more money that you can earn. With that said, let's get to the next bonus tip. So if you click on this daily bonus button, you'll be taken to a page where you can claim daily or even hourly bonus points. As you can see, there are free points available every day. Now, all you have to do is check into your account every day and watch at least 15 videos to earn at least 100 daily points. That's a lot of points. So, if you want to cash out your money, just go and click on this cash out button right here, and then you're gonna come over to this page where you can choose a payment method to cash out your money. You can cash out using PayPal, Perfect Money, or also Bitcoin. If you don't have these payment methods right here, don't worry. You can cash out on more different payment methods, since you can see here they are accepting people from all over the world and they're accepting a lot of different payments. So basically, once you earn points by watching videos, you can then convert those points into real money, and all you really need is $1.50 to be able to cash out your money. This is the minimum payout system, which means that once you earn $1.50, you can receive and withdraw your money, and all you have to do is wait 3 to 5 business days. So just keep doing this every day for extra bonus points, and don't give up, because this is a simple technique for you to earn money that only a few people are aware of, so take advantage of it. Alright, that wraps up today's tutorial. If you made it to the end, just know that if you decide to step up, you'll start making money. Don't let your emotions control you, get up and start doing whatever I showed you in this video. This is the end of the video. If you made it to the end, thank you so much for staying with us. Make sure you check out the previous videos on our channel. We upload every single day, and all you gotta do is like my channel and turn on the notification bell. Like this video, share this video with a friend, and leave a comment down below. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel and turn on notifications. If you want to see more money-making videos, go to the next video, which will pop up on the screen after this tutorial. So, until next time, we'll see you in the next videos.